Right here at Gaston College today with a two-day event, Be Pro, Be Proud. It's introducing students to all type of trades. It's an event that's sponsored by the National Home Builders Association. They provide everything. It's free of charge for our students. There's 10 virtual reality stations, anything from truck driving to welding to STEM simulators. The list goes on and on, but it's giving our students an introduction to things they may not normally come in contact with out in the environment, and we can bring them here. Have 12 total schools come out here, middle school students, 350 total, to experience this event and hopefully learn some things about something they may not have known about before coming here. Things they did not know existed, they do know existed now. They're also learning about the demand of it and just learn about what's available to them, successful careers that are also high-paying careers.